We are only a few weeks away from the biggest IPO listing in the history of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. I'm talking about the Dangote Refinery IPO.
The IPO that we have right now, there's quite a lot of demand in terms of people disturbing us, pushing us that, look, we want to buy, and that's the reason why we're trying to make sure that by September we'll be out there in the market to sell the IPO. But we have a lot of demand in billions of dollars.
Billionaire Femi Otedola can't even wait to pump in a whopping sum of 100 million US dollars into this IPO via private placement. Of course, the smart money are already taking position via private placement. But what can you and I do who are retail investors? Simple, we can only do one thing. Set up your IPO subscription account and get your capital ready for September 2026 when this IPO will be going out live. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your IPO subscription account. I'm going to be showing you at least 3 platforms that you can use to subscribe to the Dangote Refinery IPO and of course, any other IPO on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. The third one is the simplest, so ensure to watch this video to the end. The first platform is the Nigerian Exchange Group platform. Now go to your browser and type in invest.ngsgroup.com. Then click on sign up. Now step 1, you are going to fill in your personal details, your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and enter a unique password. And of course, click on the terms and condition button and go ahead to click on get started. Now you are going to receive an OTP sent to your email. Enter it into the place created and click on verify. Now, if you are a new investor or perhaps you cannot remember your CSCS or CHN number, simply click on skip this. But if you can remember, click the appropriate place and enter it there. Go ahead to complete your profile by entering other personal details like your national identification number, NIN, then your bank verification number, which is your BVN, your date of birth, your gender, your home address, and of course, ensure to complete your next of kin session. Please double check to ensure that the information you are entering are actually correct. Your state of origin, of course, your local government of origin, then click on that box at the bottom, and finally, click on submit. All right, so at this point, go ahead and log in. You'll find different offers listed on the next page. Okay, now there are rights issues and there are public offers. In this video, I'm actually focusing on public offers, of course, the Dangote Refinery IPO. So once the IPO is out, you are going to find the IPO here on this platform. All right, so you can go ahead and click on view offer details to check the details about the IPO, the price, and every other thing that you actually need to know. Okay, so once you are satisfied with all of the information, go ahead and click on buy now. Here it says select your preferred broker and indicate the number of shares you would like to buy. Okay, so go ahead and enter the name of your stock brokerage firm. So whether you are using AfroInvest, Invest Niger, Meristem, go ahead, enter the name of your stock brokerage firm. Next, the number of shares you actually want to buy from that IPO. Okay, so enter the number of shares. And of course, you are going to find the total cost for that number of shares. So it is important that you punch your calculator before now to be sure that the amount of money you have is enough to cover the number of units that you actually want to buy from that IPO. Once that is done, go ahead and tick on the box below. I have read and accepted the share prospectus and then of course pricing, supplement, and the terms and conditions. All right, so once you have done that, click on buy. At this point, you'll be required to enter in your payment details. Okay, of course, your card details. So ensure to use a valid card to make payment. It is safe and secure. All right, so once you do that, go ahead and click on pay. The next thing you want to do is to look out for dividend account setup so that once it is time to pay dividends, it will be easy for your dividend to hit your bank account. Go ahead to select your preferred bank, of course, if you have multiple bank accounts. Then next, enter in your account number and click on save information. Congratulations, you have just completed your public offer subscription successfully. So the next thing you have to do is to wait for further details from your broker and of course from the company whose IPO you have just subscribed to. The second platform you can use to subscribe to the Dangote Refinery IPO is the Afri Investor 2.0 app. If you are already a user of the Afri Investor 2.0 app, all you need to do is go to your browser and open the Afri Investor 2.0 app. Now listen, if you don't have an account with Afri Investor at the moment, you can actually download the app from your Google Play Store and then, of course, install the app, fill in your details carefully, sign up, get your CSCS account and every other thing ready, and then you are good to go to use this app for the Dangote Refinery IPO subscription. All right, so now let's dive in. Go ahead and open the Afri Investor 2.0 app. Enter your email address and your password, then sign in. All right, so once you log in, the next thing you want to do is to check whether you are actually on the latest version of the Afri Investor 2.0 app. Because if you are still using the old version, you may not find the section where you can actually subscribe for IPO. So how do you do that? Click on your profile at the top left. Scroll down and then look at app updates. So this is where you'll be able to know whether you are on the most recent app. Okay, so if you are still using the older version, go ahead and update it. Otherwise, you may want to completely delete the one on your phone at the moment. Go to App Store and then get the most recent version of the Afri Investor 2.0 app. Once you have done that, log in back again to the platform. Now go ahead and click on Invest at the middle from all of the 5 icons at the bottom. Click on Invest. So since you have updated your Afri Investor 2.0 app, you can find Nigerian stocks and then public offerings, which include investments in IPOs and right issues. So go ahead and click here. All right, it says initial public offerings. Invest in the public offerings and right issue of top Nigerian companies. But at the moment, there is no active public offers. Okay, the reason is because the Dangote Refinery IPO is not yet open for subscription, and there are no other IPOs in the Nigerian Stock Exchange at the moment. So the NGX Group platform is the first platform you can use for subscription, and then the Afri Investor 2.0 app is the second platform you can use for subscription on the Dangote Refinery IPO. This is the last but not the least. The third platform you can use to subscribe for the Dangote Refinery IPO once it is open for subscription is PiggyVest. So you may want to go ahead to Google, download the PiggyVest app, or go ahead to your Google Chrome browser and type in piggyvest.com. All right, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. But if you do not have an account, it is very simple. Click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then create free account. It's very simple and straightforward. Click on the link in the description of this video to create your free PiggyVest account so that you can be prepared for the Dangote Refinery IPO before it's out. But if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Enter your phone number, your registered phone number, and of course, your secure password, and click on login. Once you log in, you may be asked to enter your 6-digit PIN. So go ahead and enter your PIN. Now you have logged in successfully. All right. So all you simply need to do is scroll down and go to the section where you have suggestions for you. Okay. It says own a stake in Africa's largest refinery. So let's click on this and see the update about the Dangote Refinery IPO. It says get ready for the Dangote Refinery IPO. Get ready for one of Africa's biggest public offers before it opens. Now here it reads, an investment commitment lets you tell us ahead of time that you would like to take part in the Dangote Refinery IPO when it becomes available. It's an expression of interest, not a purchase. No money leaves your account today. Why Dangote Refinery? says Dangote Refinery is one of the largest industrial projects on the continent. A public offer is a rare chance for everyday Nigerians to own a piece of a landmark company, and we want PiggyVest savers to be first in line when it opens. Now, how does the commitment work? Number one, tell us how much you like to commit. 2, pick your main reason for investing. 3, optionally, set up a standing order so we act for you when the offer opens. Number 4, confirm with your PIN. That's it. No money moves yet. But of course, you can edit or cancel your commitment anytime before the offer opens. Now, talking about standing order, which is optional, if you set up a standing order, you authorize PiggyVest to place your order for you the moment the offer opens using your Flex Naira balance. So you simply just deposit money there, waiting for the time when the IPO will be open. You can do this a few days to the opening of the IPO. And of course, when the time comes, we check your Flex balance. If the full amount is there, we reserve it and submit your order. If it isn't, we simply don't place an order. It's all or nothing, so you are never partially committed. So PiggyVest is actually one of the easiest platforms you can use. All right, so if you want to secure a commitment, just click on secure commitment and then go ahead to fill in the amount you actually want to commit. Don't forget, the commitment form does not mean your money is going to move out. All right, doesn't mean your money is actually going to move out. You are simply stating your interest in the Dangote Refinery IPO via the PiggyVest platform. In order for the subscription to happen automatically, like we've read before, you have to give PiggyVest a standing order. So it is the standing order that will take effect, and of course, the subscription will be done automatically on your behalf once the IPO is open. So for me, I think this is one of the easiest that anybody can actually use to subscribe for the Dangote Refinery IPO once it opens by September 2026. I believe PiggyVest is going to roll out further details as far as this IPO subscription is concerned. Perhaps PiggyVest may be preparing to go into stock brokerage properly. Otherwise, once you subscribe for the IPO and other information are required, you may need to get the CSCS number you got from another brokerage platform to fill in your CHN number and other things, bank details, so that your stocks can reflect on your account once the allocation has been done. If I were you, I'll get my capital ready, set up my IPO subscription account, and wait for the unveiling of the Dangote Refinery IPO.